Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. So in this video I'll be telling you few important things about the Realme X2 Pro, whether you should buy right now in the Flipkart or not. So we do often see about the Realme offers going on in the Flipkart, and right now in the Realme days is going on. So there's a sale on the Realme X2 Pro device, and in my channel I know that there are so many users who actually bought the mobile phone after watching my videos. So definitely you need to comment below what are your thoughts about the phone. So what are the things you mainly like about the device, so how long you have been using. So do comment below friends. Definitely this will be very much helpful for the new users who are willing to buy this phone at the moment. So definitely we need to prove that the Realme X2 Pro is a worth of buying, and in my opinion definitely this phone is very good. And do let me know in the comments below how is your experience regarding the Realme X2 Pro. So did you face any problems or not? And before that, do subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos, and also do check the links in description as well for the Realme X2 Pro's playlist if you want in detail reviews on the Realme X2 Pro. So let's get started. This is the reason why I am doing another video on the Realme X2 Pro, is because of this Realme Days offers is going on. So by the time I'm making this video, there's a sale is going on each and every model from the Realme phone. So right now the Realme X2 Pro you can get it for about 26,999. But if you're having any discount card from the Federal Bank, then definitely you will get the additional 10% instant discount. So these are the few things you need to know. First is a biggest advantage most of the people they like about the Realme X2 Pro is that fast charging capabilities. So this phone can actually charge within 30 minutes friends. So that's a seriously good phone right now in the 2020. If you ask me, 50 watts charger is super, and pretty much this is my most favorite feature. So do comment below what is the most favorite feature of the Realme X2 Pro device. So this is my main reason why the Realme X2 Pro has become my most favorite phone. So super watch charger is pretty good. And next thing I like about the phone is that dual speaker setup. So this is the one thing we take it for granted. So definitely if you're not that kind of person who likes to listen to the music in the loudspeaker, so you would not be noticing this feature. But I am a person who listens to the music in the loudspeaker instead of earphones and Bluetooth earphones. So whenever I use the loudspeaker, it looks pretty amazing that getting the dual stereo speaker setup, which is pretty good and very loud as well, loud and clear. So that's the main second most favorite feature in the Realme X2 Pro. So you cannot find more phones which are having dual stereo speakers at this kind of price range. Then definitely these are one of the another reason I would like about the Realme X2 Pro. So third reason is the display. The display is of very good Super AMOLED, and you do get 90 Hz refresh rate. So the display is 90 Hz, and which is the bonus advantage. And the color accuracy and color contrast, the viewing angles and saturation contrast is amazing in this phone. I never had any issues in terms of the display. So you can see friends, it looks very amazing watching the videos in this phone. So right now I'm playing the 8K video footage, which is also pretty good thanks to the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, which makes the 8K video playback very smooth experience in the Realme X2 Pro. So having this small notch, it kind of bothers me a little bit, but I'm okay with the display and 90 FPS. So here is the Redmi K20 Pro's pop-up camera phone, so which has full screen experience. I wish the Realme they would have come with a pop-up camera, but it's not a big deal for me. But overall the display is pretty good and very good, very saturated and very contrast. So this is the third most favorite feature in the Realme X2 Pro device, the display. So fourth is the processor. So the processor is a Snapdragon 855 Plus processor, which is very good and very smooth. And because of this vapor cooling system, which makes the phone not to get heat while playing the continuous gaming and while charging as well. So which makes the full phone to keep it very cool temperatures throughout the gaming time and charging time as well. So this is the another main important feature regarding the Snapdragon 855 Plus processor. So from the time to till now of using this phone, I have installed so many applications. You can see, I think close to 100 or 120 plus applications right now I've installed. I did not face any day any problem at all in the Realme X2 Pro device. So this is another most important thing for the gamers as well. Having the 90 Hz refresh rate and having the fast charging and having the big display is another bonus advantage for the gamers especially. And next is that having this big screen, you might think the phone is slightly heavy, but that's not the case. So you can see the weight is close to 202 grams, so which is close to 200 grams. So definitely the phone which is close to the 200 grams is considered as little bit kind of light weight phone. So you no need to worry about the phone heaviness when you're using for a long time. So no need to worry at all. So there are so many other things which I like about this phone. Having the very good Wi-Fi connection, no issues with the Wi-Fi connection till now, and even having the dark mode experience here after the Realme UI update. So you can get the dark mode experience in the third-party applications as well. So there are plenty of other software things is going on right now, which makes the phone completely perfect choice. So even you can get the black and white mode as well whenever you want in the phone. So that's another good advantage. There's so many advantages with the Realme X2 Pro, which makes this phone the perfect choice for this kind of price range. If you're a kind of person who is in a dilemma to buy or not, I would highly suggest you to buy this mobile in this time. At the time I'm making this video, there is no other competitive phone with the Realme X2 Pro device at this time. So seriously friends, if I find any other phone at this kind of price range which has same kind of specifications and very good specifications, then I would highly suggest that mobile, but that's not the case. So this is only the mobile which has everything satisfying: loudspeaker, good display, good processor, good battery life and good fast charging. So regarding the battery life, I forgot to mention. So battery life is also pretty good and decent without any issues. So after the Realme UI update, the battery life slightly decreased, but not that much, I can say. So you can see the comments below. The users who are using the Realme X2 Pro, they'll definitely comment in my video below. You can go through the comments and you can check if someone is talking about the battery, but mostly the battery is not that much issue because it has got fast charging. Within 20 minutes it can charge quickly, so no need to worry at all regarding the battery life of this Realme X2 Pro mobile phone. So this is the overall quick tutorial on the Realme X2 Pro, whether you should buy the phone or not. And the conclusion is that doesn't matter you are a gamer or normal user or the person who is looking to buy the phone for the next 3-4 years, who wanted to use. So all these conditions, this Realme X2 Pro will definitely satisfy all your needs and you will be very much happy of buying this mobile phone. So for more videos, to subscribe to my channel SciTech Guru. So thank you for all watching till end of this video to get to know more about this mobile phone. So don't forget to check out the playlist for the Realme X2 Pro, so you can learn more things about the phone and you can know more things about the phone as well. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.